Hello and welcome back to another episode of World War II history and reenacting. Today I want to share a quick unboxing video with you guys. Isn't it funny that even if you know what's inside the box, it's still somehow very exciting to do the unboxing? This is a German pre-war Rundblick Fernrohr 16, a panoramic sight used on the 75mm leichtes Infanteriegeschütz 18. The 75mm light infantry gun Model 18 was developed in 1927 and was adopted in 1932 by the German military. It served as an infantry support gun in all theaters throughout World War II. This is an original wooden ammunition box for the 75mm leichtes Infanteriegeschütz 18. At some point it contained 3 shells and 3 shell casings. This is actually a pretty rare box to find. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this short little unboxing video. Until next time, auf Wiedersehen.